Today I'm going to be reviewing JULEASEL's coupon booklet. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. So what is it? Well, it's made especially for you, and it's made with love, as it says. If you have a family member, maybe you want to offer a booklet of massages or a bunch of different stuff. I mean, think about for Valentine's Day, what you could do for your partner, all the things you could put in here. It'd be great. It comes with 30 blank cards. These are very hard cards. So very nice. You actually can unscrew these to take them out and then write whatever you want on them. Very good for Mother's Day, Father's Day, friend, birthday, whatever. You can put 30 different things that you're going to give them. Like I said, massage, maybe a child gets it for a parent. I'll clean the house. I'll clean my room. Maybe you'll get your wife to say, I'll paint the house for you so you don't have to do it, or do the leaves, or maybe you put that in the booklets, whatever you want. This does really well on Amazon. Not only is it an Amazon choice, it gets 4.7 stars, 500 reviews, and people must really like this because 4,000 plus of these were bought last month. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.